When you buy a blender, you want to make sure it whips, blends, grinds, or chops your favorite foods with excellent results. Good Housekeeping Research Institute Kitchen Appliance Director Sharon Frank says they tested 42 blenders, and among the best were 2 from Hamilton Beach.
The Wave Station Express is a great blender if you're primarily buying it to make drinks. It has a spigot, so it makes dispensing easy. But we caution people to keep in mind that the spigot can be difficult to clean. For twice the price, you can get the Hamilton Beach Blender Chef. But what's unique about this blender is it also comes with a small chopper attachment. Our top performer was the Oster Beehive. It does a great job, but it's very easy to use. It only has 2 settings, on and pulse, but that's all you really need. If you're looking to splurge, you want the KitchenAid 5-speed. It's a top-of-the-line blender with all digital controls.
Whether you're making a summer feast or a summer smoothie, the right blender will get the job done faster so you can enjoy the fun. Jacqueline Bolden for Good Housekeeping reports.